children's upbringing to help tackle drug abuse in the region. Mandera County Chief Executive Officer for Gender and Youth, Izzudin Adawa, says neglect of responsibilities by parents has been identified as one of the major impediments to the war against drug abuse in the region. Details of these and other highlights in the county news briefs.
The Chief Executive Officers urged parents to take responsibility of their children and work closely with the county government in stemming drug abuse in the region. Adawa called on security agencies to be on the lookout always as drug dealers are working round the clock to smuggle drugs using dubious means.
There are other bigger fishes where those who sell, those who plant these drugs, those who transport it, is kind of, interconnected criminality that's going on. So in order to fight this drug, I think we need to look at where this is coming from, and we need to look at the root cause and we demolish it. To do that, also we need to work with other arms of governments, with the national government, the security agencies, to also take this action.
Elsewhere, residents of Gashie, Kiambaa constituency, Kiambu County, have taken it upon themselves to repair the road linking Nairobi and Kiambu County, saying that no one seems to bother about the poor state of the road. They lamented that the road has become impassable, especially during the rainy seasons.
Nenda kwa barabara zingine zinakuanga nzuri sana, lakini barabara yetu ya Gashie miaka nenda miaka rudi, hii barabara inakuanga hivi. Kwa hivyo tunafurahi sana ya kuwa sasa nitakuwa nakipita na kagari kangu hapa vizuri, hakazami kwa maji.
In Baringo, the county government and Kabrak University have partnered to improve the quality of health services in the county. The agreement will see the digitization of various health services and training of service providers. Baringo Governor Stanley Kiptei says it was high time the county embraced technology in the provision of health services. Kabrak University Vice Chancellor Professor Henry Kiplagat said the 3-year project will encompass areas such as research, maternal health, among other areas.
We have also partnership with Nairobi University and USAID on health information systems that we are going to put in place because we want to embrace technology. So we are digitizing our health facilities so as to allow us monitor our services in prevention of drugs and as well as the human resource.
We also need to go beyond what we signed today under the MOU, because there could be other teething problems that the county government of Baringo may identify in the area of health. Listening to His Excellency the Governor earlier on, I mentioned that there are shortages even when it comes to nutritionists and dietitians.
And over 4,000 tree seedlings have been planted at Kalrum, a non-ruminant center, as part of a move to support Kenya's initiative to attain the 10% forest cover by 2022.
And you realize that the dependence on firewood has continuously dragged this behind because people keep on cutting trees and they're not replanting them. So I would appeal to the people living close to forests, as much as probably there is the diminishing land for agriculture, they should also be considerate of the trees.
The seedlings planted were from Non-Ruminant Research Institute under the government's greening initiative.